So here is Google Gemini app. So how to access it? You can just go to gemini.google.com. Ideally, it should also be available in the Google app. So if you just go to the Google app, which is here, and then it should be a switch in your tabs, but it's not yet available. So yep, that's just basically what it is. But yeah, and then yeah, you can just go here and you can go to gemini.google.com. You can see all the recent updates, what's happening. There are a lot of updates. So then there is like also Gemini Advanced. So yep, you can just go to again to Gemini here, and then you can just sign in with your account, and then you can just select. There are still some kind of a bugs here. I don't know why. It's a bit weird behavior. It keeps signing me into some old accounts, but it's like, all right, whatever. So yeah, here it is, the app, and then yeah, you can just see that there are two modes. There is Gemini, and then there is Gemini Advanced, where you can, to upgrade to Gemini Advanced, you can just tap here, and then you can see there is a free trial for 2 months, and then is the price dependent on the country you are in. So the price can be like 169 Danish krona per month. So it's more than $20. It's closer to like $25, I would say, maybe. Yeah, per month. But then it also includes Google One subscription, which gives you 2 terabytes of storage, and then available soon Gemini, Gmail, Docs, and more other Google One premium benefits, state-of-the-art performance, designed for highly complex tasks, and all of that. So you can try that. And then here you can just write some things, and also you can just add some image. You can take a photo or upload an image or speak with voice, and then you can also modify the response to do it shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, more professional. It's quite cool. And then you can provide feedback. Then you can report a legal issue. You can copy, or if you don't like, you can just search it on Google to do more. And then you will see something like that. And then if you just tap on the arrows, basically you will see all the additional content from Google. Just something like that from here. So yep, and then you can see links to the other websites. So yep, basically this Google search and a button is kind of, it just gives you sources. So at least that. So basically Google is scraping the content, but you have it here. And then yeah, here you see all your recent chats. You have settings. You have enabled dark theme. You can see your public links. And then so seems, yeah, you can just have that, and then just start a new chat with the top plus icon. You can also update location, real-time responses, dark theme. So yep, you just have that, and that's just the idea. So you just have that. So yep, that's basically what it is. Hope that is helpful.